continue our lesson last Thursday. And this is about, can you read it again?
Mm,
Reading
reading
and
and
writing,
writing
writing
writing,
decimals.
decimal.
Okay.
decimal,
One more, can you read it again? 1, 2, 3, go. Reading.
Reading and writing
reading
decimal.
and writing decimal.
Okay, very good. So this is our lesson that we will continue for today. You need to read and write decimal. But for now, I want you to read one by one, okay? I will call your name later. So again, for your learning outcome, you students will be able to define decimal, identify the parts of decimal, identify the place value and digit value of a decimal number, and the last one, read and write decimal. This is our goal for today. So, again, as always, you have your vocabulary for this hour. First is, can you read it? Group 6? How will you read this
Whole
word?
number,
What
Very good.
whole
number?
It is the
number,
whole numbers. Good job. Next, number 2, what is it?
Mm,
decimal number,
decimal
Mies na? Decimal numbers.
decimal numbers,
numbers.
Very good. Next, number 3, we have decimal point.
Decimal
decimal
point.
point,
Okay, very good. Next, number 4, place value.
Place value.
value,
Okay, good job. So those are the vocabularies that we are going to learn for this hour. And let us define what is decimal. So when we say decimal, can you read it? It is a fraction
it is a fraction
written
written
in a special
in a special
form.
form.
Okay, very good. So, teacher, what does it mean? When we say decimal, it says it is a fraction written in a special form, meaning you can write a number through decimal or by a fraction. So, later we will talk about it. Now, let's have our quick review. You knew it already, group 6. First is parts of decimal. What are the parts of decimal? Class, I have here a number. This color red is 48 and this color blue is 59. Now, let's start with color red. At the left side, what part of decimal is that? What part of decimal is that color red at the left side? What is it?
Whole number,
Yes, can you say it louder?
whole number,
Good job. This is a whole number. And this color blue, that color blue, what part of decimal is that?
Decimal number.
Good
decimal
job. That
number,
is a decimal number. So after knowing the whole number and decimal number, that color black, what do you call that? That
decimal
circle.
point.
Very good. That is a decimal point. Okay, Mai? Did you understand that one?
Understand.
Understand.
Okay, so let's proceed now to the decimal place values. Oh, kasanapan many, ha? Place
Yes.
values, what is it? Lock alay. Let's start with this color red. Let's start with the whole numbers. What
Uh,
are the place values in whole numbers? Let's start with number 5. What is the
10,
place value of 5? That is a
10,
whole number, na? Whole number. What is the
one,
place value?
once,
Yes, what is it?
once.
Good job. That is a ones, right? The place value in whole numbers are ones. Next, that 0, what is that?
10.
10.
No, S.
Yes. What is it?
Tens. Tens.
Yes, good job. And number 6.
Hundred. Hundred.
Hundreds. Very good, group 6. Number 4.
Thousands.
Thousands. Very good. Number 8.
10,000.
Thousands.
10,000s, very good. So remember the place value of whole numbers. Okay? Next, let's proceed to the color blue. What part of decimal is that? That color
10.
blue.
10.
What part of decimal? What part of decimal? This
10.
color red is whole numbers. This color red is whole numbers. How about the color blue? What is that?
Decimal number.
Good job, Kasanapan. That is a decimal numbers. Now, what are the place value of number 1?
10.
10.
10.
Tens, me alay.
Yes.
Tens.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. This is tens. Number 2.
Hundred.
Hundred.
Hundreds. Very good. Yes. And number 3, what is that?
Thousand. THS.
Thousand.
Say it, thousands. Thousands.
Thousand.
Okay, that is a thousand. So, plus I will give you 5 seconds. Remember the place value. 5 seconds na? Remember the place value. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's have our review. I have your 54 and 926 thousands. Now, Group 6, number 2. What is the place value of number 2? That is a decimal number. What is the place value? Hmm? 5.
100.
Yes, punya pa. What is that? Punya pa. What is that? Good job. That is hundreds. Okay? Hundreds. Now, after knowing the place value, what is the digit value? How will you write that in number? Look, 54, this 54, we need to change it, right? Change
0.
what number? 0, good job. 0 point. This number 9, change it to
0.
0. How about number 2? Do we need to change it?
2.
How about 6?
0.
0 or if, or remember, if the place value is hundreds, you don't need to write number 6. You don't need to change it to 0, okay? We can write the digit value as 0.02, okay? So how will you read it? How will you read it? 2, alay, 2, what is this?
100.
200s. Teacher, tamay 200s. Misong tamning. There are 2 decimal places. Okay? Next. Another given I have here. Who can read this number? Can you try to read that? 64 and
64 and 908.
yes, correct. 900.
921.
21 what?
31.
Me something. 3 decimal places. What is it? Thou.
21,000.
Oh, but first, what is the place value of number 1?
1,000.
Thousands. Good job. So the place value of 1 is thousands. Now, what is the digit value? What is the digit value? Again, this 64, change it to what? Change it to
0.
0. Point. This number 9, change it to
0.
0.
0. Okay, how about number 2?
0.
About 1. Ano pa yung number 1? Do we need to change it?
1.
1. Good job. So the digit value is 0.001. Or how will you read it? Ano alay? 1? 1 alay?
1,000.
1,000. So remember how to read because today I will call you one by one. First, again, let's proceed to our continuation, which is reading. What is it?
Reading, um,
Decimal.
reading decimal number.
Okay, reading decimal numbers. First, let us know first the place value. What are the place value? Of course, I have here. What word is this? What word is this? And. So that and is a point, right? That is a point. Now, what are the place values at the left side of end? That is a whole number. What are the place values?
Uh,
Whole number, whole number. What are the place values?
1.
one,
Yes, good job. We have ones. Next,
10,
tens.
hundreds,
Hundreds. Good job. How about the place value at the right side of end?
and
At the right side. Tens. Very good. Next,
10.
hundreds. Good job. Next,
thousand.
1,000.
so those are the place values. Now, again, that end is a point. We will read that. How will you read the number? As always, read the decimal from left to right. Left to right, Pewalay. Sai-pai.
Khóa.
Yes, we will read a number from left to right. And also, the decimal point here, a decimal point, is read as, what word? We will read as, what is it?
And
And. So let's start. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. So let's proceed to our example. Oh, how will you read that? Let me see if you still remember. How will you read that?
21 and 17.
Oh, let's see if Kasanapuan is correct. First, what is the place value of number 2? What is it?
10.
10.
10. Good job. How about 1?
1.
Ones. How about 7?
10.
Tens. Okay, very good, group 6. Now, after knowing the place value, look at the place value of 7. The place value of 7 is what? What is it?
10.
10. So when you will read that, let's see if Kasanapon is correct. What is your answer, Kasanapon, again?
21 and 17.
Let's see if Kasanapon is correct. Here, this is how are you going to read. Oh, can you read it for me? 21
21.
And
and
7.
7 tenths. Can you say it? Tenths.
10.
10.
Are you correct, Kasanapon?
Correct.
Correct. Very good. So, teacher, why tenths? Tamay tenths, teacher, because we only have one decimal place. Shemay? One decimal place, pewa, mi, nung tamning. Okay, Mai?
Okay, sure.
Remember na, if only one decimal place, what is it? This is
Decimal place.
decimal place, pewa, tong tamning. Ay, nung tamning, mi, nung tamning. One decimal place, pasatay, I think, nung tamning. Okay, Mai?
Okay,
So,
here.
what if is given? Oh, how many decimal places do we have? Pepno, how many decimal places do we have? Kitamneng.
2.
2. So how will you read that? Can you
3.
think?
3 and 8100.
100? Hmm? Is it 100? Me alay, me
THS.
Oh, METHS. So, how will you say that correctly? Han, Hanaray.
100.
Okay, let's see if you are correct. Number 3, what is the place value of number
One.
3?
One.
1. Me S na? Look me S. Number 8?
One is
Tenths. Tenths.
10
Ten.
THS.
Number 1, what is it?
10.
10 THS.
Hundreds. Okay, so after that place value, look at the last digit. The last digit is 1. What is the place value of 1? What is it?
100.
100. So how would you read it? 3 and
And
81
81.
100.
100.
hundredths. Okay, so here this one. Can you read it? 3
and 8100.
81 hundred.
51.
Tamay hundreds. Why hundreds? Because how many decimal places do I have?
100.
2.
2. Very good. I have 2 decimal places. Next. This one. Oh, what is that? How will you read that?
1,000.
Oh, yes, that is 8,000s, but I want you to read that.
So,
410.
It's 4 in tens. Yes, correct. 4 in tens. How about 5?
51.
5 ones. Very good. 0
010.
tens.
300.
Hundreds. And 9
And 9,000.
thousand. So, oh, ano tayo, very good in place value na. Now, how will you read that? How will you read that number? In English. Can you read that? What number is this?
45.
Oh, yes, correct. What is it?
45 and 3.
And 39.
39 what?
1,000.
Yes, good job. So that is how are you going to read. One more. 45,
45 and 39,000.
39,000. That is how are you going to read. Here, 45 and this point is n. Ano tayo? Again. 45 and 39 thousands. Why thousands? How many decimal places do I have? How many decimal places do I have?
Nga?
How many decimal places do I have? Pewa kitam neng. How many decimal places do I have?
2.
3. 2 lo?
No, 3.
3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Did you understand this one?
Understand.
Okay, so if you understand, remember nung tamneng, 1 decimal place, this is tenths. 2 decimal places, what is it? 2 decimal places, what is that?
Hundred.
100.
100. 3 decimal places, thousands. Okay, so are you ready? Class, I will call your name and this one has 10 points. Okay, may misip ka nun. Okay? So, quiet. Group 6, I will call your name. All right? So, let's proceed to our recitation. Okay, so this now, I want you to read a decimal numbers. Okay? I want you to read a decimal numbers. Let's start with kasanapon. Kasanapon, I will write 10 points na. If you are correct, teacher Kian, sip ka nun. Okay, Mai?
Okay.
So, let's start kasanapon. How will you read that number?
3 and 9. 10.
Louder.
3 and 9, 10.
Okay, here is one. Can you read it? 3 And 9.
And 9, 10.
Okay. Is Kasanapon correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So Kasanapon, 10 points. Next, Anothai. Anothai.
11,
Can you read that? Go.
11 and 400.
Oh, let's see if Anothai is correct. Can you read it? Group 6, all group 6, go. 11,
11 and
And
400.
400.
hundreds. Plus may THS na, pag THS duway, 11 and 4 hundreds. Hundreds.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So, ano tayo? 10 points. Kasanapon, 10 points. Next, this girl, anipin girl, chualay. Chuchingalay. Yes, what is it?
Panchanapon.
Okay, Pancharapon. Can you read it? Oh, go.
10 and 23,000.
Okay, let's see if you are correct. Here, this one. Can you read it again?
10 and 23,000.
Okay, very good. Now, group 6. All group 6, 1, 2, 3, go.
10 and 23,000.
Okay, 10 and 23,000. You have 10 points. Next, Sorawat. Sorawat, where is Sorawat?
I'm here.
Sorawat, can you read its number? Okay, go.
24,000.
How about this whole number? How will you read it? This whole number.
10 and 24,000.
Is it 10 and 24,000? Sorawat, this number, what number is it? What is that? 21.
21 and 24,000.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Can you say it louder? 1, 2, 3, go. 21.
21 and 24,000.
Okay, very good. So you need to say it also. What number is this? This is 21. Okay, group 6 is very good. So now what? 10 points. Anothai, 10 points. Kasanapon, 10 points. And girl, what's your name again?
Panchanapon.
Kasanapon, 10 points. Next, I want Narudi. Narudi, where are you? Narudi? Narudi, may malo?
Absent.
Okay, Natasit. Natasit.
What, teacher?
Okay, Natasit, can you read this number? How will you read that? What number is it? Natasit.
20 over 19.
20 over 19 law. This is how are you going to read?
100.
20 and alay Natasit, 20 and
20 and 19.
19 what? Kitam na Natasit, how many decimal places do we have? We have 2 decimal places, right? Ani 1, 2. So, how do you
100.
read that?
100.
20 and what is it?
100.
Yeah, and 19.
1900.
1900.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, can you read it one more? Go.
20 and 1900.
Okay, one more Natasit, this one. Can you read it? Oh, look at this one, ah. This one has 2 decimal places. It has 2 decimal places. This one, it has 3 decimal places. Now, how will you read that? Natasit, go.
2 and 6,000.
Okay, very good, Natasit. This is 2 and 6,000. Good job. Next, what? Natawat? Natawat, can you read it? Go. Oh, Natawat, where are you? Can you read it? How will you read this number na tawat? 8,
2
8 and
and
again.
2
8.
อะไรนะ teacher
And this number, can you
อ่าน
read
ไหม
it?
อ่านไหม
8 and
and
200.
211
What number is this? 11 what?
11
11.
thousand
Okay, so one more, Natasit, can you read it? 8. Oh, where is the tawat? 10.
8
and
and 211 thousand
Okay, very good na tawat. Oh, group 6, very good na. Next, piracorn. Piracorn. Where is piracorn? Piracorn, Yunay? Piracorn, Mamay?
absent
Absent piracorn, lo? Okay. Saria. Saria. Where is Saria? Class, if you are absent, may mika no score. Saria?
I'm here
You're here, you're awkward. Oh, you're eating, lo?
ไม่มีเสียงนึกว่าแต่ไม่ absent
Okay. So, piracorn, can you read this number? Go. How will you read it? Piracorn.
อะไรอะ
What is it?
พี่เจ๊ต้องพูดซีโร่ไหม
No, you don't need to say 0. What is this?
105
105? 105?
เท่า
What? Ano tayo? Pepinong na? Pepinong ano tayo na? 1, 2, 3, go. Piracorn, go.
105
5.
thousand
What? Okay. Anotay, can you say it louder? Oh, where is Anotay?
105,000
Okay, very good. That is how are you going to read, class? In this case, there is no whole number, right? No whole number, so you don't need to say it. You will just read the decimal numbers, just like 105 thousands. Okay, Mai? Did you understand?
โอเค
All right. Again, kasanapon, mi 10 points. Sorawat, Anotay, Pirakor, Natasit, Natawat, Pujing. Natcharapon. Sorry, teacher. Next, Satya. Oh, Pancharapon. Okay, next, Saria. Saria. Yes, Saria. Can you read this number? Oh, very easy. What is that?
7,000
Is it 7,000s?
710
Is it thousands? How many decimal places do we have?
10
How many decimal places? How many decimals? 1. Shemai? 1 decimal place. So what is this?
710
7.
10
Okay, Saria, can you read it again? One more, Saria. Can you read it again, Saria?
7
7 what? Minong tamnen. Shemai, minong tamnen. What is it?
10
Tens. So minong tamnen, this is tens.
710
Yes. Can you read it again?
7 tens
Okay, good job. Next. Next one is punyapat. Punyapat. Where is punyapat?
present
Okay. Punyapat, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Can you read this number? Oh, very easy. What is that?
18 and 600.
Very good, Punyapat. Can you read it? All group 6. I want group 6. Go. 18.
18 and
18 and
600.
600.
Okay. Why 600s? Why hundreds? Why hundreds? Because how many decimal places do we have? How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. 1, 2. This is hundreds. Okay, Mai? Is it easy?
Easy.
Very easy. Next.
Yes.
Um, tirapat. 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 Where's tirapat? Tirapat absent?
Yeah, my teacher.
Oh, tirapat. Hello, tirapat.
Hello.
Hi. So, how did you read this? Oh, this one very easy. This one is word. Can you read it, tirapat? Go. 30.
30 and 500, 1000.
Okay. Tirapat, this is a word. 30. 30 and 500, 1,000. What number do I need to write? What number do I need to write? 30. What number is it? What is it? This is? How will you write 30 in number?
30.
Who, tirapat? Tirapat, what is it? 30. What is the 30? 30. Is it 1 3 or 3 0? Tirapat. 30.
30.
Something how what number is it? 3 and
500.
3 and alive.
1,000.
500.
Oh, can you type your answer? Can you type your answer? What is this in number? Group 6.
3.
What is this in number?
3 and
My food. Just type your number. Just type your answer. What is it? 30, 30, T, 30 and 500, 1,000. What is this in number? Can you type your answer? What is this? Let me check if you know. 13, anotay, that is number 3. That is number 3, anotay. Anipen 30. 30. Pewa alay, 30. How will you type that number? What is this in number? It's very easy. 30 and 501. 30. T. Oy. 30. Ani 18. 15. TEEN. Pensipet. Ani pen 30. TY. 30. TY. What is that? TY. 30. Let me see if you are all correct. Okay, class this one.
เพื่อนเขาส่งคำตอบให้
ฟังดีๆนะ class this one. 30. TY. TY. 30. This is samsip. Okay? Samsip. 13. Pen TEEN. TEEN. Ani pensip sam. But this one is a 30. Samsip. So, this word in number is here. 30 and 500, 1,000. Okay, Mai? Look, TY. TY means 0. Ani pen 0. Okay, Mai? Okay, how about this one? How will you write that in number? Can you read it? 1 hundred and
210.
can you type that in number? What is that in number? Let me see if you're all correct. Oh, ano tayo? Many point. May many decimal. Oh, let me see if you're all correct. Natawat. Let's see. Punyapat. Kasanapon. Sariya. Natasit. Let's see. Okay. If you are correct, plus 10. Okay? If your answer is correct, plus 10 points. Okay, Mai?
Very easy.
4, 3, 2, 1. Can you read it again?
102.
10. 2 tens. Ani tens? Kita mneng.
1.
Let's see if you are correct. 1, 2, 3, go. 102 tens. Who's correct? Who's
Me.
correct?
Me.
Very good. So, if you are all correct, plus 10. Okay? Plus 10. Next. This one. Who wants to answer this number? Oh, what is that in number? Can you read it?
1400.
14. Tin. Me and 14 hundreds.
1400.
Hundreds. How will you write that in number? 14 hundreds. Oh, me whole number mine? Me whole number mine? 14. 14. 14 pewa. 14. 14. T-E-E-N. T-E-E-N. What is it? Okay, class. Look at this given. 14 hundreds, meaning we don't have whole number. May cham nuwanap. Okay? May cham nuwanap. Now, teacher, how do we write this? If there is no whole number, may cham nuwanap, shemay, you will write 0. Oop, 0. Look up, point. 0 point. 14, found it. 14 plus T-E-E-N. Ani pensipsi. So the answer is 0.14. This is the answer, 1400. Okay, Mai?
Okay.
May mi whole number. May mi and, che Mai? And, poop, and, mi Mai? And mi Mai?
No.
No, that's why you will write 0. Okay, Mai? Did you understand?
Okay.
Next one. Oh, this one very easy. What is that in number? 5 and 1,000. Ooh, 5 and 1,000. Ani pen thousands. How many decimal places? Kitam neng. Can you write that? 1,000. 1,000. Ooh, let's see if Kasanapol is correct. Anathay is correct. Let's see na. 5 and 1,000. Ooh. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, we have whole number. Mi cham naman na may? Mi whole number may?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the whole number?
5.
5. Oop, 5. And me and this is a point. 1,000. How many decimal places do we have?
10. 3.
3. So 3. Plus, ano yung chay 12, may chay 13, may chay 100. Shemay, this is a 1,000. So from 1, ani pen thousands. Size 0. Oop. 2, zeros. So the answer is 5 and 1,000. Who's correct?
Me.
Kasanapon, very panja,
Pajama.
panja. Show alam. Panjamapon. Okay, next. Okay, this one. Oh, look at this. 33. 33 and 3/10. 33 and 3/10. What is this in number? Oh, Anathay, very fast. Let's see if you're all correct. Okay, 5, 4, 3,
2,
2,
1.
1,
Go.
go. Oh, what is the answer? Can you read it?
Anotay.
Anathay, correct. Can you read it?
Anotay correct.
33 and 310.
Okay.
310.
33 and 3/10. Is this easy?
Easy.
Did you understand?
Understand.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, so group 6, if you understand, I will send you the link for Google Form, okay? And you need to read properly. Okay, Mai?
Okay.
All right. Okay, Pep, now I will send it in line. Look at